So today we are going to look at the type of posts that actually bring you engagement in your social. So what types of posts actually attract people on social? There are several posts, obviously. Every post works if you're an influencer. Have you noticed that anything and everything your maybe your success upline who is good on social media posts gets massive attention, gets massive likes and comments? They've got the big heart on you. They've built the audience already. They've built the influence. You are not like them, and so you cannot hope to post the same things and get the same results. So you have to be a little bit more strategic than that in order to get the attention that you deserve. And by the way, the attention will come. This account is an account that I created from scratch, and the attention came, and it comes and goes. It's like a wave. And many times I cleanse out my account, and so people who are watching me, like binge watching but not taking action, I cleanse them out. I release them back to the Facebook wilderness, and I attract people who are actually more motivated and inspired to take action. So the top post that I'm going to encourage you to create today is a results-based post. People will not believe what you say, rather what you do. It's like that has never changed. We are hardwired to model what we see. So if people see you doing certain things, they'll do the same. Results show that you are doing and getting results. Okay? And so if you are shouting out someone else, that's the best kind of results show. People will be even more excited because they'll know that you work with other people and you are the type of leader that recognizes other people's efforts, even if this person attended their first training session. Your new teammate. Big shout out to my teammate Jane. She has crushed our new onboarding training, and she's already to the races building her business. Don't wait for results to shout people out. Shout people out on their journey so that they are encouraged, especially if they are new and they don't know, what they are doing. You have given them, the fast start package to get started on their business. So they are doing something, shout them out, okay? It's even better if a team member shares their results and shouts you out as the reason they are winning. We tend to not want to shout out our mentors. We tend to want to stand out like we woke up one day and we were badass adults. We don't shout out our mentors, people who have been our parents along the way, people who have guided us along the way. We don't shout them out. We want to show up like we woke up badass, amazing people overnight. And that is also a door slammed in your face, because if you do not recognize where your grace came from, you are shutting your own doors to grace. So shout out the people that helped you get where you are. Shout out your mentors, shout out your coaches, shout out your upline success lines, people you've learned something from, shout them out. It is only great for your business. It can only do good things for you. Edify, edify, edify. Obviously, you can't post results all day long, every day, because that starts to become like spammy. So if you have no results, work towards getting some, and meantime, share team results from people who are in your team, even if they may not even be directly in your team, that are getting results. Shout them out. People get so excited when you shout them out, and they may give you a tip or two of what they do to get the results they get. So shout them out. And like I said, shout out the journey. That is also something important. If someone is doing something in your team, in network marketing, you have a team member who is at least, you are assured that they'll stay in the system for another month, for another 2 months, for another 3 months. If someone starts a business, especially in MLM, and does not take any action that you can see, recognize, or know to move their business, chances are in the next month or two, they're going to cancel their auto ship and you will have a gap to fill. For you people building your own businesses, shout out your suppliers, shout out your coaches, shout out your customers who are doing great and doing return purchases, and say, oh my goodness, I love the way this one so is loving on this product. Ask them to say something about your product on social. If you don't ask, you don't get. The types of results you're going to shout out are someone doing their first post, someone doing their first video, someone doing their first prospecting, someone starting the training of the company, someone joining the team training session, the team web call for the first time, clearer skin, someone's clothes feel a little bit lighter, a story around the results. So start a story. Stories sell, facts tell. Stories sell, facts tell. So results posts are stories posts. So don't start showing the before and after. That doesn't work anymore. You know what I'm talking about. Unless, again, like I said, you are a man influencer on social, and so whatever you post, your team is there shouting you out. And usually it is your team. It is very few new people on that post. shouting, ay, 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 ay. So don't get so upset if you are looking at your upline getting 1,000 bazillion likes and a squillion comments, and you're getting 3, 5, 10. Usually it is the teammates that are shouting them out. And so all you have to do is do the same, build that team. So number 2, the other types of posts that are going to bring you results are entertainment posts. Entertain your audience, guys. You're on social media, entertain. Show people that you're having fun. Seriously, entertainment comes out better in images or videos. So do videos of nice, beautiful places you are. Do live streams when you're at a party. You aren't showing off. You are showcasing your life after you started your business. You aren't showing off. You are showcasing the grace and the blessings that have come your way. You aren't showing off. You are inspiring somebody. Turn your mindset around. Turn your mindset around from the negative to the positive, and you start to attract the people that are actually positively excited to hang out with people like you. Okay? So, photos of your lifestyle, video clips, gifs, jokes, memes, be fun to hang around and educate your audience. It's called edutainment. Edutainment is entrainment. Entrainment is entertainment. Entertainment sticks, and people like to go where they're entertained. Look at the arenas that are filling with people buying tickets worth thousands of pounds to watch someone entertained. People will pay money to be entertained. So if you're entertaining people, they'll pay money to buy your products and hang around you closer. Lifestyle is all about getting people to know you, guys. Lifestyle is all about getting people to know you. You don't have to live in a mansion, drive a Lamborghini, and live in the yacht lifestyle. It's all about relatability. People can relate to you because you are like, you're not too far away from them. You're not Lord Sugar to them. You are their friend from next door. You're their friend that they went to school with. You're the person they knew on social when 3 years ago you were also struggling like them, and now you seem to be taking off momentum. People want to relate to you, so people relate. Lifestyle can be relatable, and it is the most relatable thing, and that's how people connect to you. If you're going to the movies, take a picture of the movie. So these are the type of lifestyle posts you post, right? You're at the movies, dinner with friends or family, out with the family, doing stuff you do, hanging out with friends, traveling, watching sports, doing a sport. You're not feeling too good, be a wee bit vulnerable. Sometimes we want to show that we are always on the top, on the run, on the go. But if you're not feeling well, share that with people. People will appreciate, people will relate, people will feel like you are not just one of those people who seems to be always, everything's always good. Now, don't make up stuff like you're sick if you're not sick. And don't blow sickness out of build a mountain out of a molehill. For instance, you got a letter to go for a simple smear, and you make it like you thought you had all kinds of horrible diseases. Don't do things like that. What goes around comes around, so don't do that. If you genuinely had a problem with your body and you were worried and you went to see the doctor, you can share that. If you get a routine letter inviting you to the dentist to have your teeth checked routinely, don't go about like, I thought all my teeth were falling out. That's just silly, okay? If you're not feeling good, take a picture of you will be surprised how many people will say sorry, praying for you, blah, blah, blah. And they will then check out other stuff you've been posting, and you'll find people that are saying, oh my goodness, I was also going through this, I was going through your post and I found this, I want to know more about what you do. The more people see of you and your life, the more they fall in love with you and wish to be, do, and have what you have. You will have inspired them to show up too. You will have inspired them to do something for themselves. You will have inspired them to do something different from what they are doing that's not taking their life where they need it to go. You will have inspired them to dream, and you will have a customer and a teammate sooner rather than later. Get people to see the real you, and you'll attract your tribe. Get people to see the real you, and you'll attract the tribe. For instance, today you see the real me. No makeup, no filters, no nothing. This is me. I woke up this afternoon and I've decided to do a live for you before I even start my day, because I want you to see that even you are what you think is your worst is your best for somebody. They want to be like you when they grow up. The third type of post that will always bring you the bacon, if you value. Number 3 is value. That is going to help people in a way. Value that's going to move people from I can't be, to apathy, to sympathy, and then to action. Value that's going to get people to take some action on their lives. A picture, a text, a video, a story, a blog, a link with the content, basically making your audience's life a wee bit better, bringing their services closer to the people so that they start to like, trust and know you. They already know you. Now they have to start to like and trust you. If people have connected with you on social, they feel like they know you already. So now you have to build the like and the trust. This is a journey. It is a long-term game. It doesn't happen overnight, so don't expect to. Just like the day you sow is not the day you harvest. When you dial in your target market, this is going to be like a walk in the park. They will want to know what you think about stuff. They want to ask you, your inspiration about certain things. They'll start asking your opinion on certain directions in that area that you are the person showing up. So making your audience feel a little bit more educated and that you're serving them in some way, get them to love you more. You are bringing them the solution. You are bringing them their desire. It doesn't matter what platform it is you are leveraging. It can be Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever you want to do. I am telling you, people are waiting for your value, and they're also wanting to engage and be engaged. That's why live stream is taking off super fast, because people want to be part of the action. People want to be engaging and engaged in what you're doing. So don't talk at them, invite them to do stuff with you. That's why I'm always encouraging you to type. These are the 3 posts that work every time. Now, I'm not going to share, I'm going to share stop at 3, because you're going to go out and schedule a whole 2 weeks worth of content. So I don't want to overwhelm you. Results, lifestyle, value. Results posts, lifestyle posts, value posts. Now I've given you examples of each type of post along the way. The idea is consistency, focus, and caring. If people know that you care, they will actually care about you. People don't give a shit about what you're saying until they know that you care. Attraction marketing is all about building your personal brand and showing that you care. Attraction marketing is all about showing up and showing that you have a little bit more than what other people have on that particular subject. And attracting your people like a magnet is what it is. It will happen if you so choose. If you choose if you make a decision today that you're going to show up in that space for the next 12 months, people will come to you. If you keep moving from A to B to Z to Z and changing subjects, changing topics, copying so and so, following so and so, and saying, oh, let me try out what they're doing, you're going to fall down a rabbit hole you can't come out of. Choose today a specific way you're going to show up for 2020, create your vision 2020, and you're going to show up like a badass. If you don't do the above, people will go to someone else who will, because your people are waiting to be served by someone. Let it be you. If you use this type of posts, you're going to get clients. That's how I get clients for Kalungi Group. That's how I've been building Kalungi Group up. Our products are getting bought every month because we are showing up this way. Guys, everything I'm teaching you, you see me doing. I see results that people are using with these posts, and I know they work as well. So let me know how you get on, and let's get you becoming a people magnet 2020. Let me know what your takeaways to today. We are in an exclusive private group, so feel free to share your favorite takeaways, people. Feel free to share your disagreements if you don't agree with the points I've made. Feel free to share what you've learned from somebody else that's maybe different from what I'm sharing. Feel free to share if what I'm saying has worked for somebody else and you know them. Feel free to share that's what I've been doing and it's not been working, and let's look at what you're doing and see what you might be doing that might not be working for you. And let's start to build this community as a community of people who are working to grow and help you grow. As of 2020, let it be a new year of growth for you. Choose growth and choose to grow in a very specific area. I was very, 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 very so excited when I got a testimony from Mary B. I'm saying she chose one thing, the one thing she was going to do and achieve this year, and she has achieved it beyond her fondest dreams. So give Mary B a high five, a digital high five, and say congratulations, Mary B, because she has done it. Is it gonna be you 2020? Are you gonna be the person that says, I chose that I was going to achieve XYZ and I've achieved it? Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Great Nation. Be that person, okay? God bless you.